Negative thinking and 6 ways to handle it.
Friends, negative thinking is a thinking process where people tend to think about the worst in everything, or we may say that they reduce their expectations by thinking the worst about the possible scenarios. So friends, now let's try to know how to handle it. First of all, you have to become conscious of your thoughts. As soon you find yourself having a negative thought, you stop it yourself by saying to yourself, stop. Secondly, avoid negative triggers. We have to do this by avoiding negative triggering situations and also by avoiding people who are connected to these thoughts. The third key thing is to daily practice visualization technique. The key idea of visualization practice is to clear possible bad future scenarios so that you will be able to cope with the negative thoughts effectively. Now the fourth key thing is to always keep yourself busy. Keeping yourself occupied by doing things like reading books and so on, these habits keep your mind out of negative thinking. Guys, the fifth key thing is to always listen to music which makes you relaxed. Listening to your favorite music for 30 minutes a day can bring about a great mood change, and it will have a complete effect on your thinking pattern. And remember, the last important sixth key thing is to daily sleep regularly. Lack of sleep always disturbs your mood, because of which you in long run you may experience feeling anxiety for useless things and also get irritated and become angry for no reason. Finally, practice these techniques regularly and free yourself from negative thinking.